Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park level, engine off, key out, and set the parking brake. Once done, open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench. This isolates the system and prevents errors. Next, locate the engine fuse box and identify the BMS or battery management fuse or relay. Consult the owner's manual for the exact slot if needed. Make sure to have a 20A fuse or OEM relay on hand. This first action clears power to the modules. With power isolated, remove the BMS fuse or pull the BMS relay and inspect the socket for corrosion or loose pins. Clean if necessary. After a 2 to 3 minute wait, reinstall the same fuse or fit a new OEM spec fuse or relay so the module gets stable power. Once the fuse is seated, reconnect the negative battery terminal snugly. Then turn the ignition to RUN without starting the engine and wait about 2 minutes so the modules reinitialize and relearn battery parameters. Finally, start the engine and check the instrument cluster. Most BMS warnings will clear after a brief drive of 5 to 10 minutes as the system relearns. If a light stays on, plug in an OBDROMAN2 scanner, read and record the codes, then clear them and retest. This tells you if the problem is persistent. If warnings return, check battery health and alternator voltage. Low voltage can prevent a proper reset, and if needed, consult a dealer or qualified technician for module level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.